Vakra Asana, a very good exercise to make the spine flexible. It is helpful in treating enlarged and congested liver and inactive kidney, and it brings relief to hypertension, constipation, diabetic patient, and it helps to reduce belly fat. Vriksha Asana. This pose leaves you in a stage of rejuvenation. It brings balance and equilibrium to your mind. It helps to improve concentration. It makes the legs strong, improve balance, and it is useful for people suffering from a spine problem. Yoga may seem intimidating, but there are some important tips for yoga. Wear comfortable clothes. Yoga should be practiced during morning time on empty stomach. It can also be performed in evening, but there must be a gap of 2 to 3 hours between yoga and meals. If there is any sort of pain or discomfort, then come out of a asana. Avoid jerky movements, and there will be some pain in the beginning, but it will go away. Keep breathing normally with your nostrils unless you are directed. Now, let us discuss in detail meaning, benefits of meditation, and what are the outcomes of meditation. The ultimate meditation is surrender to reality. The more you fight, the more you are in conflict with it. The more you will be a loser. In deep surrender, the ego disappears, and when the ego is not there for the first time, you became aware of that which has always been there. What is meditation? Meditation is a practice in which an individual trains the mind or induces a mode of consciousness either to realize some benefit or as an end in itself. The goal of meditation is to focus and quiet your mind, eventually reaching a higher level of awareness and inner calm. The purpose behind meditation is to make an individual free from the existing problems. The aim of the meditation is to make the mind silent and controlling the mind by preventing it to fall and ease and victim to the onslaught of grief, blinding anger, constant strong desire for a new acquisition. What are the root cause of the problems? Modern life is so hassless, deadlines, frustration and demands. Confusions which is created by the amnesia is an identity to real self and its role in human life. Mind is often a vulnerable victim of various types of instability like anger, grief, sensuality, revenge, regret, and in this condition is prone to harm one's own self or other. Outcome of meditation. One of the most important positive effects of meditation is how to release stress from our bodies. Meditation practice regularly will lead you to a deeper level of relaxation. With meditation, an individual learns the art of single pointed concentration, which can elevate the level of efficiency and effectiveness in a task or open the right paths of success. How to do meditation? The goal of meditation is to focus and quiet your mind, eventually reaching a higher level of awareness and inner calm. It may come as a surprise to learn that you can meditate anywhere and at any time, allowing yourself to access a sense of tranquility and peace no matter what's going on around you. Meditative postures. As you can see the picture, during the meditation, an individual should sit with the back erect and both the hands joined in the lap and eyes closed. Objects of meditation. Chosen God, early morning rising sun, Himalayas, music, flame can be the object for meditation. When to meditate? Early morning is the best time for doing meditation at the time of sunrise. Other, it can be performed at any time and at any place. While sitting in the office, moving in bus, studying in a cabin, it's a quite good if we take a deep breath at least for 3 minutes before sitting for meditation. Following are the Patanjali Yoga Sutra, which describe the methods and means of achieving calmness in mind. The mind becomes calm by developing the attitude of friendliness towards the happy, sympathy towards the miserable, joy towards the honesty, indifference towards the evil, alternatively expelling and holding the breath. The mind also becomes calm by alternatively expelling and holding the breath. Meditate on the inner light which is peaceful and beyond the sorrows. Meditate one who has attained desirelessness. Meditation acts as a cleaner for our mind and our soul. It gives relief from mental constipation. implies giving a refreshing one's personality of noble and idle thoughts. What are the benefits of meditation? Meditation can wipe away the day's stress and bringing with it inner peace. Physiological effects. It was found that the meditation can deeply affect the heart rates and respiration rates and declare positive effects on blood pressure. Positive effects on blood pressure, it decreases heart rate and prevent hypertension. By doing meditation, it effectively treats the pain and help in reducing alcohol consumption, increases the rate of oxygen consumption, increase the glow on face. Other studies have shown that meditation help in decreasing stress level and decreases the anxiety and depression. Now we are going to discuss the psychological benefits of meditation. Meditation can produce a general state of positive mental health and decrease anxiety, reduce fears and phobias from external and internal environment, and gives relief from headache and improves sleeping habit of an individual. It also manage and reduce stress level. Relates to an internal locus of control, great self actualization, and more positive feelings after encountering a stressor. Behavioral benefits of doing meditation. People who practice meditation stop the consumption of tobacco or smoking. It also helps in getting rid of from drug addiction, and it also cures the eating disorder in an individual. The other benefits are reduction in the use of health service among those who meditates. It saves organization financial resources on health insurance premiums. Thank you.